Hey students, welcome to Study with Nivi, the easiest way to learn. And आज के इस वीडियो में हम कर रहे हैं case study related questions. I have already uploaded few questions. Kindly click on the I icon above and you will find rest of the questions over there. And do subscribe to my channel. अगर आप इस type के questions मेरे साथ यहाँ practice करना चाहते हैं, you will find one daily. So now coming on to question. Question says there is some fire incident in the house. The fireman is trying to enter the house from the window as the main door is locked. The window is 6 meters above the ground. He places a ladder against the wall such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meters from the wall and its top reaches the window. तो यहाँ पर बता रहे हैं कि एक घर में आग लग गई है. फायरमैन जो है since the main door is locked, he is trying to move into the house through a window. यहाँ पर आपको क्या क्या given है? They have given you the window is 6 meter above the ground. Ground से कितना height है वो आपको given है. That is AC यहाँ पर. This is your wall, right? And this is your point A is your window. Now he places a ladder. वो इस तरह से वहाँ पे एक ladder रखते हैं. So AB is your ladder, right? किस तरह से रखते हैं? Such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meter from the wall. Such that जो ladder का foot है, this is the foot of the ladder, point B is the foot and A पे obviously इसका top जा रहा होगा. So now this particular ladder is at a distance of 2.5 meter from the wall. Wall से इतना दूरी पे है. So this is the diagram is already given to you in the question. यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको समझना था what the question is trying to say. Now coming on to question, you will be given 5 parts जिसमें से आपको कोई भी 4 करने हैं. You are given an internal choice. जो भी easy लगे quickly go through all the questions. आपको लगता है जहाँ पर आपकी calculation कम होने वाली है, opt those 4 questions. जैसे कि part number 1, I'll suggest you that you need to go with this particular question. इसको skip नहीं करना है. Here dash be the ladder and dash be the wall with the window. So ये बहुत clearly यहाँ पर visible है. Which is the ladder? AB is the ladder, right? So we can fill up AB and dash be the wall with the window. And where is the wall? AC is the wall. So your answer becomes part number B. ठीक है? So this was easy. Never skip questions like this. Now coming on to part number 2. Part number 2 says we'll apply Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the ladder. Obviously, since it is a right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem over here. So using Pythagoras theorem, how can you find the length of the ladder? As you can see, ladder over here is the hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse क्या होता है? 90 degree के just सामने वाला side is known as hypotenuse. And where is the base? BC is the base. And where is the perpendicular? AC is the perpendicular. Now, so if you need to find the length of the ladder, you will apply the formula, that is the Pythagoras theorem, which says hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square, right? This is your Pythagoras theorem. Now, hypotenuse square is AB, which means AB square, perpendicular is AC square, plus base is BC square. So choose the correct option quickly. यहाँ पे जो आपको given है इससे फटाफट हम correct option choose कर सकते हैं, which says BC square plus AC square, which means part number D was the correct option. Again, you cannot skip this particular question. इतना easy question हम कभी भी skip नहीं करते हैं out of the 5 questions given to you. Okay, now moving on to third part. Third part says the length of the ladder. यहाँ calculation है but still we'll go with it. ठीक है, हमें यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला बहुत आसानी से पता था, अभी हमने पीछे सॉल्व किया था, तो क्विकली वील सॉल्व इट. व्हाट इज दिस पर्टिकुलर? The hypotenuse is given to you. The hypotenuse isn't given to you. That is AB square, but AC square is given to you and BC is also given to you. Let's quickly find it out. What is AC? AC is 6, and what is BC? BC is 2.5 centimeter. So what is 6 square? 6 square is 36. And what is 2.5 ka square? That is 25 ka square. 25 ka square is 625, which makes it 6.25, right? Which means 36 plus 6 will give you 42.25 is equals to AB square, which means AB is equals to square root of 42.25. And what is the square root of 42.25? It's 6.5 meter. Okay, done. So next, let's over here, which is the correct option? The correct option over here is part number C. So we could have solved this particular part as well. Okay, now moving on to part number 4. Part number 4 says, what would be the length of the ladder if it is placed 6 meter away from the wall and the window is 8 meter above the ground? Okay, so यहाँ पे what they have changed the distance of the window as well as the distance of the ladder from the wall. So यहाँ पे दोनों ही change हो गए हैं. So let's make a fresh drawing यहाँ पर, which says you that if this is your window, then now the distance is 8 meter. Okay, and the window is 8 meter above the ground. जो window है उसका distance 8 meter कर दिया है, and जो ladder है उसका foot wall से 6 meter हो गया है. So this was your A, C and B. So now we'll work on this. Again, this is the right angle triangle. We are going to use Pythagoras theorem and find the answer. So now, using Pythagoras theorem, you can write AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square, which will give you, what is AC? 8. So you will place the value 8. BC कितना है यहाँ पर? 6. We will place the value. You will find 64 plus 36, which makes it 100, which means AB square is equals to 100 or AB is equals to 10 centimeter. So this was an really easy question. This was a really easy question. So I suppose you should never skip these kind of questions. So now coming on to the correct answer. The correct answer is part number D. Now moving on to the last. अभी तक आपके हिसाब से आपके 4 parts हो चुके हैं. So these were the 4 parts which you could have easily solved if you were given this kind of question. Now coming on to the last part. The last part says, how far should the ladder be placed if the fireman gets a 9 meter long ladder? Now what they have asked you, again we'll make a drawing over here. Drawing के हिसाब से they're saying how far the ladder be placed. अगर यहाँ पे ladder का आपको length given है, that is equal to 9 meter. Okay, यहाँ पे ladder आपको given है, it is 9 meter and you need to find this distance कि ये wall से कितना दूर रखा जाए. The height of the window being same, that is 6 meter. Okay, now coming on to your question, this is A, C and B. You're going to use Pythagoras theorem, which says AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square, which makes it 9 square, placing the value of the hypotenuse that is given to you as 9, and AC is given to you as 6 square, plus BC you need to find out, which means BC square is equals to 9 means 81, 9 square is 81 minus 36, which makes it equal to, this will give you 5 and that will give you 4, 45, right? So now BC is equals to square root of 45, and what is square root of 45 equal to? Approximate value. So now as you have already done in previous classes कि आप square root किस तरह से find out कर सकते हैं. So let's place it over here. Let's place a bar and then this, and you'll get 6 6 yes, 6 6 36. So now we have this value. आपको पता है that the first number has to be 6, which says that A is your approximate answer. Don't solve the complete answer. Complete decimal points में निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. The only answer that matches over here is part number A. Okay, so this is also done. Thank you so much, students, for connecting me over here at Study with Navy. Do subscribe to the channel and drop in your comment in the comment box, doubts in your comment in this particular comment box, and I'll reach to you. Thank you so much.